Well, so far it's been raining for about 6 or probably 8 hours. And our little canopies have held up so far. Haven't had the driving rain yet. It's been a little bit windy off and on, but haven't had a lot of wind to get that rain coming up underneath. So just under the edges we got dry ground. So it is holding up. Got a place to at least stand out of the rain. The gazelle that I was in at least stayed dry. Over there, the big one. The lake is flat, but raining. Don't see a single boat out there. Nobody braving the weather to go if they can catch anything.